guys, so today we are going to make crispy, sweet and sour apricot tofu. Wow, that is a mouthful. I found this tofu that's extra packed, super firm. I like using this one for when I'm gonna make crispy tofu, but I still use this kind of tofu, the one that's like in a bunch of liquid. I like using this one more for tofu scrambled. If you're gonna use it for crispy, you can just press it for longer. Baby, you should be I use different things every time. This time I have these 2 jars of tomato sauce. I'm not gonna press this for that long because it's already pretty firm. Almost every time I do this, something tips over. It turns out I'm dumb. This next step is really important to help the tofu get nice and crispy. I'm really just not trying to get hot oil popping at me, so I turn the heat off, but I'm also impatient. Ow! So, oil is still popping. Isn't that lovely? Someone who loves to cook, but is very sensitive to heat. It just works out so well. I still have this other half to cook. And the heat is still, oh, the heat's not on, never mind. I thought I left the heat on. I was so proud of myself. It still feels hot to me. I couldn't find any tongs, so.
What's the secret? Starch. Cornstarch is the secret.
Look.
Cornstarch. Wow! Can I try them?
Okay.
I haven't put any sauce on it yet. They're crunchy on the outside, they're soft in the inside. A texture.
That's so big. A texture. Let me try one. Oh. So good. This was the bowl with the cornstarch. I just put water in because I didn't want to waste any. I looked up a bunch of recipes to get a general idea of some liquid ratios I might need, but right now you're going to see my random thought process during recipe creation. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. Don't worry though, I will have a recipe card at the end of the video. Now we have some chili garlic sauce. A little more, and we'll see after that. I'm gonna do like a ½ teaspoon of sesame oil. I feel like the flavor is very strong. Wow, I was not even in focus. A tablespoon and a half of maple syrup. I still felt like being, what is it called? Experimenting. And so I have this apricot jelly jam preserves, which I've never had apricot preserves before. I just saw it at the store one time and I was like, let's try it. I'm gonna try it in there because it wasn't that sweet when I tasted it with just the maple syrup. And so I was like, let's add something else. Okay, so I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't want to use vinegar because I have apple cider vinegar and I think I just like drank it too much over the past like 3 years, and so now I can taste it like right away. Too much. A lot of recipes had rice vinegar, which I don't have. I have white wine vinegar, which I have never cooked with, so I don't want to ruin. I already put stuff in here. Yeah, I'm not trying to ruin it. In place of vinegar, to get that like tanginess, I'm gonna use lemon juice. I don't know how much is left in here. I really don't want to cut another one just because I'm lazy. And so we're gonna see how much is left in this and hope that that's all I need to use. I squeezed the life out of this and all I got was about ½ teaspoon. Tablespoon. Taste and see. I think that's a good amount. I don't have to cut another lemon. I'm gonna mix about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water just so that it can dissolve. I'm stirring it a little bit because some of the cornstarch started thickening on the bottom. Okay, it's really starting to thicken. Ooh, it's definitely enough sauce.
I just feel like continuing biting and that taste is just perfect. You are the chef. Gonna get married.
This is like, I'm honestly And I honestly don't think that I'm like a good cook or anything. I just like to cook. But this